Welcome back, everybody. So I know it seems like it's been forever and a day since we last talked, and I apologize. It's been kind of hectic. After Halloween, I took a couple of days off because it was exhausting. I still haven't got everything put away. I've still got some frames here that were in my garage. This room's just kind of a wreck, but most of it is in fact put away, which I'm kind of happy about because it's only 2 weeks after Halloween. Usually it'll take me until like February to get everything completely put away, but we're getting there. A little ahead of the game this month. So I'm also working on the house. If you're watching some of my non-Halloween videos, we redid our kitchen. We worked pretty hard to get that done right before Halloween, and some of you saw that in our Halloween walkthrough videos. But I'll be doing a video to show you what I've done with that in the next little while. But because of how renovations work, in fact, if you've been watching those videos, we're going to have to redo our basement. That's pushing that back to sometime next year maybe, and scaling the plans way down for that. But right now I'm working on the living room because, of course, every time you make a change and then it affects something else and something else and something else, and it's just this never-ending sort of domino effect of things you got to fix and repair. But basically what happened is we changed the baseboard in our kitchen, but the baseboard kind of goes around the wall and goes into the living room. So now I've pulled off all the baseboard in the living room, which we're going to replace with the style to match the kitchen. And now I'm painting the walls. I'm in between sealing coats of paint right now, waiting for the first coat to dry so I can put on the second coat. I'm not even bothering to change out of my painting outfit. I am just ready to go because this whole process is just never ending. But maybe I'll do some videos and show you along, or take you along, show you what that process is like. But it's exhausting, and that's why I have been neglecting my videos lately. But not only that, Halloween has passed. We've got a long time till the next Halloween. And I kind of figured that we'd get back into doing some more of our other videos as well. I sprinkle them in here and there, like my kitchen renovation videos. But we might be doing a little bit more variety going forth, especially now that things are opening up from COVID. We're actually going on a cruise next week, so I might do a cruise video. We always say we're going to do cruise videos because it's our preferred mode of vacationing, and we never actually do. We'll film so much stuff, but then we get lazy. Once it's filmed, then the hard work comes into play. You got to edit the videos and put it online. So half the time we do these travel vlogs that just never ever get shown to anyone. Maybe we'll do one this time, I don't know. But point being is, don't expect too much before the end of November because it's half over and we've gotten away from the month without even thanking our patrons. So I did want to go ahead and share with you that we got a new patron for November, and that was Glenn K. And if you remember, last month we did one of those random video walkthroughs of someone's haunt, and that was Glenn's haunt called Roosevelt Hills Cemetery. So we'll take a quick look at his page a little bit later. But I wanted to thank you very much, Glenn, for joining my Patreon team. It is really appreciated. And Glenn joins such wonderful people as Acorn and Oak, Allison Waldron, B. Hugh, Carla Perea, Craig Thomas, Eerie Eric, Frady Zone, H. Sylvester, Halloween Heathen, Heather St. John, Indiana Jones, Josh the Inflatable and Tractor Guy, Kip and Jace, Lauren McLean, Patchouli Julie, Paula Allison, Prince Alarming 85, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skullcrane Entertainment, Southern Screams, Spooky Bev, Spooky Spectacle, Stephanie Schrutek, and Teara. Thank you all again for helping support the channel. Really means a lot to me and helps go toward, of course, the monthly giveaways that we do. And I've been thinking about this a lot, so I hate to break it to you, but I think starting next year, we're going to get away from the monthly giveaways and just go back to doing them on a random basis. So I know some of you who've joined my Patreon team, one of the benefits, of course, is all the extra entries and so forth that you get into the giveaway drawings. That'll still exist with the giveaways that we go with forward. But for any of you out there who might especially support the channel for that benefit, just be aware that's going to probably be going away in January. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a look, like I usually like to do as well, at our patrons' YouTube channels. All right, so first up here is Roosevelt Hills Cemetery. That's Glenn. And we checked in, I think, a little bit on his page when we did the walkthrough of his last haunt, but let's go ahead and see what the About section says. Welcome to Roosevelt Hills Cemetery in Manville, New Jersey. I used to live in New Jersey. Anyway, this channel is a glimpse of what our Halloween and Christmas yard display my wife and I put on every year, all for a nonprofit animal shelter in the local area, plus some random videos of Lemek's Spooky Town buildings of our collection. All right, I'm sure I misread some of those words. I apologize. I'm tired. I've been painting for so long. The fumes are, affecting my brain. Anyway, Roosevelt Hills Cemetery has lots of videos. Apparently we'll be seeing some Christmas soon, but he did just do a couple of videos for his Halloween display. And of course, Halloween Hangover, his last posting 5 days ago, is kind of what a lot of us are probably feeling now that Halloween is over and we've got to put it all away and wait until next year. But we've got some crazy winds and rain. Yeah, I know how that is. It was kind of rough on us this year too. But anyway, he's got some walkthroughs of his haunts, or his haunt, I should say, and even an inside tour. So I haven't had a chance to look through these yet, closing, but I certainly will very soon. November 1st cleanup. Look at all those pumpkins. That looks pretty neat. I love pumpkins. The Lady of the Grave. Anyway, oh wow, look at that. Lots of neat stuff on Glenn's page. Be sure to check it out. Next up, we have Southern Screams. So Southern Screams, I touted all last year that he had a wonderful Halloween haunt. It was quite amazing, and here we get to see what he's done for 2021. Now, I've only had a chance to skim through it. It looks top-notch. I'm very impressed. I can't wait to sit down and really watch it. And in fact, I'd like to probably do a sort of reaction video, and maybe we'll go through our Patron Halloween haunts and watch those together. But you can check his out on his page, as well as, I guess, a montage of his haunt as well. Josh, the inflatable and tractor guy, has got a lot of Christmas inflatables popping up. Of course, I guess it is that time of year, but let's see. 5 days ago, we still had a Jemmy animated Halloween ghost. All right, well, that's an animated product, so it looks like Josh, the inflatable and tractor guy, is branching out. Look at all these animated product videos. But mostly, of course, he likes his inflatables, and if you are, there's lots of animated stuff now, I guess, too. So check it out. You'll find all sorts of stuff on Josh, the Inflatable and Tractor Guy's channel. Spooky Spectacle. Okay, so I believe, I can't remember if we saw this one last time, so I'm just showing it as well. A Walmart Halloween decoration walkthrough. Might be a little too late if you're looking to buy some Halloween products, but if you did, you could have watched her video as well as all of her other fun Halloween videos. Now, as I pointed out, I'm only going to be showing the channels that have updated content. I know a lot of our patrons have channels that they just don't regularly update anymore. So if you're interested in seeing those, you can check out the list of the patrons who have YouTube channels in the description of the video. But here we have Skull Crane Entertainment, and looks like we've got a quick view of his haunt as well. Looks like we've got a Dracula and or maybe it's just a vampire, I guess. And that Frankenstein animatronic looks pretty cool. Of course, Skull Crane Entertainment is all about the animatronics. Has a store as well. Be sure to check it out too. And then Scare Fair's Halloween Haunted House walkthrough. But he has lots of fun animatronics to view on his channel. But now we're getting back into the craftier patrons here, starting with Acorn and Oak. So Acorn and Oak, let's see, since our last check-in, he's done some Halloween tablescapes. Of course, he likes to make cards. There's some trading cards, another Halloween tablescape, autumn walks, and after almost 40 years, he's still here working and playing music. Oh, the video is silenced due to copyright. I get so frustrated by that sometimes. You got to be really careful with that. But anyway, Acorn and Oak, lots of fun crafting to check out, just like Indiana Jones here, who has probably a zillion videos. No, well, okay, only like 4 or 5 rows since our last check-in. So what have we missed? All right. Movie, TV, Halloween DIYs, Harry Potter. I think we did actually see some of that in the last video, but we have Hocus Pocus DIYs, Friday Night Lives, and look at all the fun costumes that she does all these videos in. It's just amazing. I don't know how she does it. I get exhausted just doing my boring little videos. Anyway, Happy Halloween, Sleepy Hollow. And let's see. Oh, is that a reading? Is she reading Sleepy Hollow? I tried doing that myself. I got through about a quarter of it doing a reading. I'll have to upload that one of these years. All right, Pottery Barn Dupes, Christmas DIY Decor. Okay, well that's Indiana Jones. And like I said, you can check out any of those videos in the description of this video. I have got the links to them all. Thank you all again for being patrons, and thank all of you out there for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting. It all helps, so thank you very much. Now it's time for this month's giveaway. Like I said, I'm exhausted. Halloween was so exhausting. I've got so much work to do. I'm going to keep my Christmas decorating easy, so that's what this month's giveaway is going to be. This is they call it a Christmas LED projector light, but I believe it has Halloween too, because this vendor asked me to take a look at this product, so we're going to be doing a video on this coming up in the next week or so. I'm going to try and get it up before my cruise. But I don't think it's just Christmas. I believe it's got all the holidays in there as well, because they were trying to get me to review it for Halloween. So we'll take a look and see what that's all about. But I'm just going to throw one of these out in the yard, make a projection on the house, and be done with it. So be sure to stay tuned for the video. We'll review this together, see how it works. And of course, you can win one of these yourself. I don't have a whole lot of time to get this video made if I'm going to get it up by this weekend, because I know the person who sent me this has been very eager for me to review it. And hopefully this is going to be a good product, because I'm going to be giving one of these away to one of you lucky subscribers out there who enters. And to enter, it's very simple. All you're going to have to do this month is leave me a comment below and answer a question. Well, you know what? Actually, tell you what, we have our newest patron, Glenn. Be sure to check out Glenn's haunt at Roosevelt Hills Cemetery. Again, link in the description below. Leave a comment on one of his videos, and then come back and leave me a comment below on which video you commented on. And that will get you entered to win the projector. So you're only going to have, I'm going to say 72 hours to get this up. I'm not going to do a live giveaway this year, or this month, I should say. I'm just going to put the winner's name in the review video that I do on the projector. So stay tuned for that to see if you won. And of course, I will announce it on our Facebook group page, which you can always join as well. It's Happy Haunting on Facebook. So I guess that'll do it today. Hopefully I covered everything. I have to get back to painting. I've got so much to do. But I can't wait to share that with you too, and all the other things we do as we lead up to next Halloween. So thanks for watching, everyone. Take care, and happy haunting.